What can 62 kg of box contain? What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. As you see, the box is here. I could carry this, but since the dimensions of this box is so big, I need to hug it, so I decided to use a trolley instead. It was the most easiest way for me. We did 23 kg package, we did 40 kg, we're just going up in the kgs as you see. It's crazy. I had to rip this box, had so much trouble opening it even. My guy in Sweden did an insane package of this box. It's phenomenal job by him. Since sometimes I buy some of the products, some of them are coming from different companies, retailers. Air fryer retro ones, they're looking nice. Reminds me of some Star Wars theme. I don't know why I got that vibe here. Really nice. Noctua fans 200mm that we will be using for another build. I know I'm lacking with the builds. The person I'm gonna do that build for, he wanted to be on video, and I think it's gonna be great for those beginner people who has a lot of questions, so he might be asking some of those questions also. Silent Wings fans from Be Quiet, Belkin wireless charger, 850 watt ROG Strix power supply. I think I received one of those before. This is for the build, 650 watt. And laptop with, I believe, RTX 3050. Fairly budget one, but better than, no, it's actually not better than my TUF. The cooler I actually needed for that Z690 Hero motherboard. Refurbished unit from Corsair. There's nothing wrong with them, by the way, they do work fine, but I'll update you after a year. This should be the light bulbs. I got these so cheap. I want to do comparison with the Yeelight, but I think Yeelight will be better because there's huge price difference. But we'll see, no idea. 3 of them I believe there should be, yep. The box of this Intel cooler, what happened to it? Who violated your rights? These were so cheap from Minute. Had to get one package. Fancy headset that is meant to be used with Xbox or PC. RTX 3050, the card we've been waiting for this build. Should probably start building that build tomorrow, slowly. Because I'm postponing these builds currently. This is gonna be for 12600K. And there should be one more motherboard. Yep, Pro B660 from MSI. Noctua cooler, not sure what happened to the box. We don't care. It's with AM4, but you can use the bracket with Intel and it just works for any Intel platform also. My turntable. Great. Need motorized one though, so I'll have to mod that for sure. I see the tag, this keyboard is from Webhallen, it's a Fynvara. So that means I got it very cheap, just to show it to you guys. This was some of the products. Inside some of the boxes there was a couple of more processors. I forgot when I was doing unboxing, I was tired, but this is a small update of the products I have received. We're gonna do the build, we're gonna do another build. I hope you guys are ready for a couple of builds. It's gonna be fun to watch, I'm sure. If you like the video, share the video, do all of that stuff. It helps the channel insane amount. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!